Alam naman ng lahat yan. It's a manual process. It starts from the bunot, and then the corticating, you get the fiber, you do the twine. But we always do it manually. Lagi ng demand. Now, other countries, they have a mechanized version of this. May mga machine na sila, paggawa ng twine. Yung sa India nga, gumagamit pa sila ng nylon para wala ng tao. Dire-diretso na lang yung paggawa. Ang nakakalungkot lang dito sa ating bansa is about 100 plus cooperators who are producing coir products, who are into coir processing, are always doing it the manual way. This has been the clamor of our coir processors for almost a decade already. Next slide, please. And coir, even Geonet or Cocolag and any other products, these are bioengineering products. Malaki ang value nila pagdating sa kanilang characteristics upang magamit sila sa tamang paraan sa ating industriya. Ang nakakalungkot lang ay may mga nangyaring ganitong pagkakataon. Nung kasagsagan po ng COVID pandemic, ang mga bioengineering materials na ito ay ginawa lamang food bag, tire bag. At hindi na-appreciate yung kanilang value as a bioengineering material. Ang mas malungkot pa dito is ang DPWH ay medyo ayaw nang bumili ng ating mga coir products, especially our Geonet. Why? Number one, hindi daw consistent yung quality, hindi daw pantay-pantay. So hindi sila sigurado kung yung mabibenta ba ninyo na coir sa kanila ay kasing tibay nung plastic na counterpart, which is against nature kasi it's a plastic. Pangalawa naman, it is laborious. Hindi kaya ma-achieve ng ating mga producers yung demand na gusto ng DPWH to supply the entire demand for geotextile. Next slide, please. It is for this reason that we developed this technology, and we call it Amaroska. It is a mechanized double-ply coir twining machine. All organic, no nylon strings used during the production of the twines. It's sturdy, it's made of structural steel, and it's powered by 2 HP electric motor. Pagdating po kasi sa paggawa ng double-ply na twine, dito kasi tayo medyo nagtatagal kasi manual pa rin talaga yung process. And dito din po, based sa aming research, nakita namin na nagkakaroon ng inconsistency sa quality. Nung umaga, si Sir, yung warmer natin, okay pa yan, maganda pa quality niyan. Pagkadating ng hapon, medyo tinatamad na. So hindi po pantay ang quality. Using our machine, we can ensure 48 twists per foot, which is pasok po sa ating standard minimum of at least 23. We can also process 300 meters per hour of 300 meters of twine per hour ang kaya natin gawin with a linear density of 8 grams per meter at a diameter of 5 to 6 millimeters. Next slide, please. This video shows us the actual field testing ng aming machine in one of our cooperatives in Zamboanga City, specifically at Lumbar Ferco sa Lumayang po. Can we have the video played, please? It's a simple machine. Kung dati po ang paggawa ng double-ply twine ay kailangan natin ng 3 tao. If we have the manual, may isang taga-ikot, tapos may isa na namang taga-gawa ng twine, tapos may isang magdo-double. Ngayon po, isang tao na lang ang kailangan. At ang kailangan niya lang gawin is just to operate the machine. Titingnan niya lang ang quality ng fiber along the way, kung mabibiyak mo yan, stop, repair, that's it. In short, it allows for the coir processor to have more downtime, to have more focus on other forms of processing, and let the machine do most of the work. Next slide, please. And hopefully, through this innovation, we can already enforce and endorse our product to DPWH, gaya na nangyari sa kwento sa Marinduque, kung saan yung kanilang mga coir unit ay tinanggap po ng DPWH. They were able to ensure kasi that the quality of their coir twine is consistent. And using Amaroska, we can do just the same. Next slide, please. So we are calling out to our inventors, at our investors, sa ating po mga fabricators, private man or nasa gobyerno, we are asking you to join us in rolling out the commercial units of our technology. Pwede po natin pag-usapan ang pagdating sa patenting, pagdating po sa iba pang mga forms of commercialization prerequisites. Pwede po natin pag-usapan yan. Nagsimula po ang aming production ng prototype at a cost of 200,000. Pero when we produce the commercial units, we can already reduce this. So please join us in the rollout of our commercial units of Amarosca. All organic, structurally stable, and field tested with good reviews. Tinawa po, maraming salamat.
Thank you, Engineer Leo. So my question